Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to change the startup screen in Act. So when you start up Act, the first window you see is the startup screen. And in a lot of cases, by default, the welcome screen, and I know it says welcome, right up here is what you see first. Now the things you might see on your welcome screen might differ slightly than what we have right here. Having stated that, if you prefer to have a different startup screen, this is how you change this. Go up to Tools, go down to Preferences. In Preferences, I'm going to click on Startup. Notice right here it says Views. Well, if I click on this drop down right here, we have a whole list of ways we can see Act when it first opens. So there's options here to take a look at this. So typically what I want to see is I just want to see the contacts. So I'm going to click on Update. I'm going to click on Apply and OK. So once you do that, the next time you start up Act, in this particular case, because I chose contacts, it will come right here to the My Record in Act. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.